Nobody have complained about the noise. Nobody has complained about the noise. Nobody always takes singular verb, so has should be used. I prefer coffee than tea. I prefer coffee to tea. Prefer something to something is the correct usage. All the workers are threatening to go on a strike. All the workers are threatening to go on strike. Go on strike is the correct usage. This is my second visit to USA. This is my second visit to the USA. Use the with any country whose name includes state. The sun was setting in the horizon. The sun was setting on the horizon. On the horizon is the correct usage.